In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to obtain the ArcGIS software. So I'm from home, I'm not on the college network, and I would like to use ArcGIS at my home computer. So the first thing I'll need to do is actually get the software, and since I'm not on campus, I will have to use VPN. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on VPN. So remember, we have to turn it on if it's not already running. So I'm going to go over here and look for the Cisco. Remember, it's a Cisco client. There it is. And then I'll need to type in vpn.net.k-state.edu if it's not already there. And then I'll go ahead and click connect. It's going to ask me for my KSU password, my EID password, so I'm going to go ahead and type that in there. And then I'll just wait for it to connect, and I can see that it is connected now. So the next thing I need to do is actually go to the server that is hosting the ESRI software that is on campus. So I'm going to right click on my start button here and go to run. And I'm going to type in // and this button is located right above the enter key on most keyboards. And then I'm going to type in the name of the server. And then at the end of that, I'm going to type a period, and then I need to enter in the fully qualified domain name of that server so that it can search through the World Wide Web and find it. So that would be arch.ksu.edu. So by only typing Maya, it's just like saying, well, it is the Dubois house. If I type in arch.ksu.edu, it's giving the full address of where that person lives. So once I have the fully qualified domain name in here, I'll go ahead and click OK. And once I do that, I'll be presented with another login screen. And here I will need to type in my college username and password. So again, arch.ksu.edu. So I want to log into that specific address, to that specific domain. And I'm going to type in my username. And then I will type in my password. So the username and password that goes in here, this is your college username and password. This is not the same as your EID. Some people make the two the same, so yours might be the same, but in my case I made them different. And once I do that, I should be able to see the contents of the server Maya. And what I'll be looking for is a folder called ESRI. And I'm just going to right click here and go to view and change it to detailed view. This is much easier for me to view. So I'll be looking for this folder here called ESRI. And if I double click inside of here, I should see several folders.